Good morning, everybody. So let's start the session. I think everybody is good. So today we are going to talk about another problem, that is your possible victory. Now, this is a very simple problem. I have already uploaded the detailed description of this problem. Now let's start this problem with very simple concept. Let's see what we have. So here there are two teams, Team A and Team B. And it's a T20 match. So Team A scored some specific set of runs. They have already played their game. Now Team B is remaining. And Team B has already played some specific set of overs. And they scored some specific set of runs. Now what we need to do? We need to compare which one is a winner. If both scores are equal, make sure, then make sure you will not put that print that there can be finals strictly be larger than R. So if only the runs scored by team B is larger than right team A, only then print. If it's equal, then uh, you cannot print that. You have to print no. Right? So this can the final score be strictly larger than R. Only then you can print yes, otherwise you have to print no, even if it's equal also. Right? So here, if you see R, O, and C, what is R? Runs over, and C is your basically the current run. So R is the total number of runs that team A has scored. So how many runs they have scored? That is 719. Right? And O is the total number of runs team B has scored. Right? Team B has played. Total number of overs team B has played. And C is 648 is the total number of runs that team C has taken. Okay. So now you have team A scored 719. Team B played 18 overs and they scored 648 runs. Right? Now we need to calculate how many maximum runs in the last overs they can score. Right? So first we need to calculate how many overs are left. Since they have already played 18 overs, so we are left with only 2 overs. So play 2. Right? So the remaining over is 2. Now let's talk about the maximum score. Now since they have already scored 648 runs in 18 overs, and you need to add it with the remaining overs. So how many remaining overs are there? 2. 2 multiplied by 36. Why I have multiplied it by 36? Because in one over, there are 6 balls. Right? And in each ball, I can score 6 runs maximum. So it will be 36. 6 multiplied by 6 will be the 36 in each over. I can maximum score 36 runs. And in 2 overs, it could be 2 multiplied by 36. Right? So what will be the answer? 648 plus 36 multiplied by 2, that is 648 plus 72, and which will give you what? 720. 8, 9, 10. Right? Simple. 720 is the answer. Now, your maximum score is 720. 720 is greater than R. What is R? 719. Yes. So it will go here and print yes. So it has directly printed yes. So our first scenario is clear. Now let's move on to the next scenario. Here, instead of 719, they have kept 720. Right? And how many overs? 18 and 648. All the calculation will remain same. Remaining overs are 2, 720. Now this time it will print no. Why? Because 720 is not greater than 720. If it will print yes only if it's greater than R. So that's why it is printing no. Very simple problem, right? So this is how you do it. I think you've understood this. Thank you so much.